Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel EatPrayLoveTravel, and today we are going to explore the newly opened, the very first resort and casino here in Quezon City, Solaire Resort North. We are going to check out their food court, restaurants, and a lot more, so join us as we take a look at what's inside Solaire Resort North. Hi guys! Good morning! We are here at Solaire North at nandito tayo sa food court area nila located at the third level of the casino or mall or something like that. And we are going to show you the available na mga dishes here in the food court. They actually have Korean, Japanese, Chinese, South American, Filipino, of course Filipino. May mga inihaw, and I'll also show you the prices and kung ano yung available na mga pagkain. So, meron ding bakery, and of course, meron ding area for all your drink needs. So, let's go! Water station at this side. So, hindi na natin kailangan bumili pa ng tubig. It's free for everyone here. So this is the entire food court, connecting siya sa casino on the third level. Putan lang natin. sa Fresh. It's located at the 6th level of Solaire North, and we are trying their breakfast buffet. Try natin. Breakfast starts at 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the price is 1,320 ba o 40 para something like that. Mamaya i-check natin. It's every Monday to Sunday and available for walk-in. We are going to also check the entire Solaire area. Ikot namin kayo. So, para makita ninyo kung ano yung mga available shops or boutiques na nandito, local and international. So guys, let's go to the 38th level. Yun yung kanilang skybar. So as we all know, nauukso ngayon ng mga skybar. Tignan natin kung gaano kaganda ang skybar ni Solaire. Finestra and skybar on the 38th. Let's go inside. This is the 38th level of Solaire, their roof deck. And this is the view. It's up or no? Yeah, it's out. So on the opposite side is the Finestra. It's an Italian steakhouse. Let's see if we can go inside. Just check. We'll try to go to the Health Club and Spa on the 7th floor. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and of course,
hit that notification bell for more updates.